Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, welcome back. Today we're doing some paint repairs on this mega yacht right behind me. We're gonna do something experimental. This is the Alexseal roll additive. You could call it a bubble buster, you could call it a leveling agent, whatever you want to call it. Alexseal call it the roll additive. And what this thing does is a little magic in the bottle. It levels out the paint, bursts all the bubbles, so you roll and you don't necessarily have to tip. Awlgrip, on the other hand, you have to tip Awlgrip, because you roll Awlgrip, it leaves all that little bubbles, then you take your special brush and you tip it to get the bubbles off. Alexseal, you don't have to do that. With Alexseal, you roll it, leave it, the bubbles disappear. But this is made for Alexseal. Now, I'm going to do an experimental work where I use this roll additive with Awlgrip. It's a secret. We tried it yesterday. We had some mixed results, good, bad. I'll give you the results later on. Stay tuned. Kenny's Yacht Maintenance. Please subscribe for all the informative information on painting. Mixing Awlgrip.
This is a locking handle for the front where
Awlgrip.
The latch goes in.
And then mixing 2 to 1.
This goes into that screw point to the front face.
2 parts of the Awlgrip base to 1 part of the Awlgrip converter, the brushing converter. And I'm gonna add the Alexseal roll additive in there and let that sit for 15 minutes. This is the Alexseal roll additive.
40 miles an hour, but you don't want this thing to
You put about 1%. I'm just gonna guesstimate what is 1%.
That's it, 2 grand a pop.
Put that in there. You mix everything up and you let it sit for 15 minutes. Now we're gonna add 20% reducer. And we're gonna use the Awlgrip T0031 brush reducer. I got my rollers ready. I got a 6-inch, I got a 2-inch, and I got 3 different sizes of brushes right here for tipping. Train the paint.
come up close. As you could see, I'm rolling and I'm not using my brush, and it's flashing without me tipping. Okay.
Let's see your tracking or anything on it. It is still draining the
Alright, check this out. This is the results. Freshly painted surface, and as you could see how nice it settled. Flash like it was sprayed. So this little magic in the bottle, this is Awlgrip. This is not Alexseal. This is Awlgrip. I tried this for the first time, experiment with the roll additive mixed with Awlgrip, and I must say it really works. Now this part of the garage is in the shaded area, so as you could see when I did it, there was no reason to tip it. You roll it and it flash. Up top we had a different result because up top we're in the sunlight, direct sunlight, so we had to tip up top. I'll show you when we get there. But this we just rolled, no tipping, and it really flashed. So this little trick in the bottle, it does work. Let's go up top. Check it out. Look at it closely. So as you saw in this video, we did tip this because it's in the direct sunlight. Our umbrella failed on us in the direct wind, and we did have to tip it, but it settles so much easier with the additive. One stroke of the brush and it settles. Without this, you would have to keep stroking to get the bubbles off. Quite a few strokes. One stroke and the bubbles were gone, and it settled like it was sprayed. So a little trick in the bottle for all you DIY guys out there, it works. Alexseal roll additive mixed with Awlgrip, it works. So I'm letting off this secret. I'm the first to let off this secret. Now you guys owe me something. Subscribe to the channel, Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, where we work smarter and not harder. Keep on keeping on. Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, welcome back. So let me just explain on this project that I just did. On the first coat, when we rolled and tipped the first coat. It was like 3 p.m. in the afternoon, direct sunlight, and after just rolling it, you could see the bubbles was not popping, so I tipped it with my 2.5-inch brush. But the difference is how well it settled with just one stroke of the brush. It would just settle. If it's just the regular Awlgrip, you would have to stroke it a few times to get the bubbles off. So it really settled well even in direct sunlight with just one stroke. Now on the second coat we did, the garage door was in the shaded area, and we just rolled it and leave it. It just settled like it was sprayed on. Now the top deck where we painted, that was in the direct sunlight. So when my umbrella failed, we had to tip it. But even then, just tipping it with the brush, one stroke, and it would just settle down. So my experience, it worked by using the Alexseal leveling agent, whatever you want to call it, the leveling agent or the bubble buster. Alexseal calls it the roll additive. All means the same. It levels all the paint, and it really works with Awlgrip. Now, this is a secret. Alexseal is not going to tell you that. Awlgrip is not going to tell you that. It's made for Alexseal product. But I'm breaking the rules here. Breaking the rules of painting. That's what we do at Kenny's Yacht Maintenance. Working smarter, not harder. So keep on watching the channel and subscribe. Thank you.
From Massachusetts Institute of Technology, I am the proud product of Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, where we are in the business of working smarter, not harder. Please like, share, and subscribe.